In this video, we are going to talk about Lift for Life, the essential guide to resistance training for everyone. This is based on 2026 American College of Sports Medicine position stand. Why strength matters at every age. Exercise is crucial for health throughout your life. While walking, running, or swimming are great for your heart, resistance training, also known as strength or weight training, is the key to building and maintaining a strong, capable body. Resistance training simply means exercising your muscles by making them push or pull against some type of resistance. This could be free weights like dumbbells, barbells, weight machines at a gym, resistance bands, your own body weight, push ups, squats. The benefits go far beyond just looking fit. Science has proven that regular strength training reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers, lowers depression, and improves sleep quality, helps you live longer with better physical function. The problem? Not enough people lift. Despite these clear benefits, only about 30% of adults do any muscle strengthening activities twice a week, and nearly 60% do none at all. Many people avoid strength training because they think it is complicated, dangerous, or only for young athletes. This is a myth. This guide updates the official guidelines from the American College of Sports Medicine based on over 30,000 new scientific studies. Our goal is simple: to show that effective strength training is safe, accessible, and life changing for healthy adults of any age. What this guide covers: we reviewed 137 major scientific reviews to answer two big questions. Number one, does resistance training work compared to doing nothing? Second question, what are the best ways to do it? How often, how hard, and how much? The good news, almost any strength training works. Compared to doing no exercise at all, resistance training improves almost everything. Just starting is the most important step. Let's look at various outcomes and how does resistance training help and key findings from the studies. Number 1, muscle strength. Resistance training helps significantly. Circuit training, bands, home workouts, and weights all build strength. Muscle size. Strength training helps. Even simple band or circuit training builds lean muscle. Muscle power. Strength training helps. Crucial for preventing falls and staying active as you age. Balance and gait. Yes, strength training helps. Improves walking speed and reduces fall risk. Getting up from a chair. Yes, strength training helps. Makes daily activities easier. Endurance, strength training helps. Muscles can work longer without getting tired. What about different methods? Home based resistance training works for strength, endurance, and balance. Elastic band resistance training works for strength, size, and physical function. Circuit training works for strength and size. Bottom line, if you're currently doing no strength exercise, nearly any form of resistance training will provide enormous benefits. Fine tuning your routine, what works best, and what doesn't matter much. Once you've started, you might wonder how to get even better results. Here is what the latest science says about changing your workout variables. The basics: FIT, FITT principle. Frequency. How often? At least 2 days per week is best for strength. Intensity. How heavy? For strength, go heavy. 80% of your max or more. For power, use moderate weights, 30 to 70% of your max. Note, you can build muscle with light or heavy weights if you work hard. Time, how many sets? 2 to 3 sets per exercise is a great starting point. Doing more than 10 sets per muscle group per week continues to build more muscle. What exercise? Mix it up. Machines, free weights, and bands all work. The science shortcuts. What helps versus what is unnecessary. Variable. Lifting to failure. It's not necessary. Stop when you have 2 to 3 reps left in the tank. Avoid failure to reduce injury risk and fatigue. Frequency. 2 plus days per week is better than 1. Try for a full body workout twice a week. Rest between sets. Short or long rest doesn't matter much. Rest as long as you need to feel ready. 1 to 3 minutes is fine. Time of the day, no difference. Lift when it fits your schedule. Slow versus fast reps. No clear winner. Control the movement but don't obsess over speed. Periodization, complex planning, not superior to just trying hard. For general health, you don't need a complicated periodized plan. Just keep progressing, lifting a little more or doing few more reps over time. Special notes for power, like jumping and sprinting, use moderate loads, 30 to 70% of your max. Move the weight as fast as you can. Olympic style lifting and power training techniques are helpful for athletes. For personal action plan, simple, safe, and effective. You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. You don't need to spend hours training. You just need to move your muscles against resistance. The Just Start protocol. Perform resistance exercises 2 or 3 non consecutive days per week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Focus on major muscle groups. Simple routine includes push ups, chest press, shoulder press, rows, pull ups, bicep curls, body, body weight squats, lunges, or leg presses, glute bridges, or deadlifts using lightweight. Do 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions per set. If you can easily do 12, it's time to increase the resistance slightly. Stop 2 to 3 reps before you feel like you absolutely cannot do another one. Is it safe? Yes. For healthy adults of all ages, resistance training is as safe as aerobic exercise and safer in some ways. Fewer heart related complications with resistance training. If you have a pre-existing conditions like arthritis or heart disease, consult a doctor, but do not be afraid to start slowly. The ultimate takeaway? We have learned that the complex, high volume workouts recommended in the past are not necessary for general health. The most important variable is adherence, sticking with it. If you do nothing, start doing anything. Elastic bands, body weight squats, or lifting soup cans at home all count. If you already lift, focus on increasing your effort or volume over time. Progressive overload. But don't stress about perfect periodization or lifting to failure. Lift for your heart, your brain, your bones, and your future. Resistance training is crucial for the human lifespan. Start today. Disclaimer. This information is based on a scientific review of healthy adults and is intended for general public education. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning a new exercise program. Thanks for watching. Please share this important video with others. We will see you in our next video. Thanks again.